Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Samsung phone noticeably faster using a few simple tweaks inside developer options. So let's speed things up. First, go to your settings. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and go to About Phone. Scroll down and tap on Software Information. Now locate build number and tap it 7 times until you see developer mode has been turned on. Here enter your PIN number. As you can see, my developer mode has been activated. Now go back to settings and just below about phone, you will see this developer options listed. Tap on this option. And now here scroll down to the drawing section. This is where the speed magic happens. Tap on window animation scale and change it to 0.5x. Now tap on transition animation scale and set it to 0.5x. Now tap on animator duration scale and again set it to 0.5x. You can even turn them off completely for max speed, but 0.5 gives a nice balance between smoothness and speed. So what this does is, by reducing animation durations, your phone feels snappier, apps open faster, transitions feel instant, and there's less lag across the UI. And yes, don't tweak unknown settings inside developer options. They can cause instability. And animation scaling does not increase actual processing power, but it reduces visual lag, resulting in a faster feel. And that's how you make your Samsung phone faster in under 2 minutes using developer options. If this video helped speed things up for you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Android tips, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.